Supista project management system. This video tutorial is about recurring tasks. Some tasks aren't one-time activities. Whether it's a daily stand-up meeting, a weekly client review, monthly reporting, or routine inspections, creating the task repeatedly is time-consuming and increases the chance of missing important work. With the recurring tasks in Supista PMS, you can automate repetitive work by scheduling tasks to be created at predefined intervals. Let us see how. To create a recurring task, we will go on this Create button. As you can see, in this screen, we need to fill up all the relevant information required to create a recurring task. From here, you can select the status. From here, you can select epic and task type master that you want your recurring task to belong. Here, you will enter the name of your recurring task. Suppose I will enter sample task. From here, you can select the frequency of your recurring task if you want it to be daily, weekly, or monthly. Then you need to select the days. For example, I want my recurring task to occur every Monday on every week. I can assign it to a particular user or employee in my team. I can select the date of occurrence, end date of occurrence, start time of the task, end time of the task, and task planned completion days. Now I just have to click on create. And here, as you can see, my task has been created. This is the task that I created just now. It belongs to this particular project name, Epic name, its status. Every task that you create is shown here in this table in this particular format. Supista PMS provides you with a lot of features to see your task log reports. For example, if I scroll here and if I want to see only the tasks that are inactive at the moment, I'll go to the status, click on filter and select inactive. Now, only the tasks which are inactive will be shown here. Similarly, if I want to see the tasks which are active, I will select active and here, as you can see, only the active tasks will be displayed. Supista also provides you with an aggregate feature. For example, if I click on aggregate and if I want to maybe see how many projects I have in total, I'll click on project name and apply changes. Here, as you can see, the count will be displayed. You can also export all this data from here using CSV export. Recurring tasks help organization automate routine works while maintaining consistency and accountability. Instead of creating the same task every day, week, or month, managers can schedule it once and let the system handle the rest. This reduces manual effort, ensures important recurring activities are never overlooked, standardizes operational processes, and allows employees to focus on execution rather than administrative work. With recurring tasks, Supesta PMS transforms repetitive work into an automated process from scheduling and assignment to timely task creation. Everything happens automatically, helping teams stay organized, improve productivity, and ensure routines activities are completed on time every time. That is it for this video. Thank you very much.